So, chapter 2.6, Division of Polynomial and the Remainder and Factor Theorem. So, throughout this chapter, we will talk about two different methods, which are long division to dividing method and the synthetic division method. If you look at page 107, then you will see number 2a. One question here. If given fx equal to x fourth plus 5x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 2, then we'll divide this by x plus 2 here. Okay, then I will show you how to make division using long division method. So you may be very familiar to set up long division, like we have maybe 325 and divide by 5 like that. Then you kind of find out how many times 5 going to 32, and which is 6 and 30 and 25, and then get 5 here, so 25 equal to 0. You all remember we kind of calculate this way. It's very similar, but now for this polynomial case, we have a little bit clear algorithm. So first of all, you set up exactly same as long division. So x fourth plus 5x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 2, and then you divide by x plus 2 here. Now the key point is you only care about dividends leading terms and divisors leading term only, and make division between them. So division over divisor, which is x fourth over x. Then what do you get? Which is x cubed here. Then you put x cubed on top quotient area here. So I'm going to put x cubed. After that, you multiply this x cubed with divisor. Okay. Then now x times x cubed will be x fourth, and 2 times x cubed become plus 2x cubed. And now you subtract. Subtract means you switch their sign. So I'm going to switch plus and then minus and minus. Then x4 and x4 is eliminated, and 5x cubed minus 2x cubed become 3x cubed, and this coming down, so become plus 6x squared. Okay, now the same step as what we have done the first part here. So you only care about this leading term and this leading term of divisor. So what is the 3x cubed divided by x? And this is the 3x squared. So you put this on quotient area, so plus 3x squared, and multiply this quotient value with divisor again. Then this become 3x cubed plus 6x squared. As you know, we subtract, which means switch their sign. So now when you look at here, so everything is eliminated. So you bring this down, and then also bring this down as well. Okay, now same thing. You divide these leading terms and this leading divisor term here. Okay, so what is the negative x divided by x? Yeah, become negative 1. So you put negative 1 on quotient area here, and you multiply this with divisor, so which is negative x minus 2. Then you subtract them, which means switch their sign, so plus and plus, so equal to 0. Therefore, this case, the answer is this one. And then no remainder. Okay? Then let's talk about letter B. B is, so fx equal to 3x plus 2x cubed minus 9 minus 8x squared divide x squared plus 1, right? So same thing, we set up a division form, but as you know, this is not order form here. So we better making descending order, so from higher degree form to lower degree form. So it would be 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x minus 9. When you form this, even though there's no maybe term exists, but you have to match with it. So like a cubic, square, singleton, and number. So fortunately this time we have every term here: cubic, square, single, and number term. Then now put x squared plus 1. Okay, what did we do when we solve this problem? Yes, we compare dividends leading term and then divisor leading term. Same thing. So you compare dividends leading terms and divisor leading term here. So it becomes 2x cubed over x squared. If you make division, what does it come out? Yes, it come out 2x. So you put 2x on quotient area. Now you multiply this with this one. So it becomes 2x cubed plus 2x squared. 2x plus 2x. And now you subtract, which means switch their sign. Then these two cancel out, and then negative 8x squared coming down here, and they become plus x and minus 9. Then what do we compare again? Yes, only leading term of dividend and divisor. Okay, so we just make negative 8x squared over x squared. Then you get negative 8. Now you multiply this with this divisor. Then, don't forget put quotient area as well. Become negative 8x squared and then minus 8. You subtract, which means switch their sign, so become plus and plus here. So those two cancelled out and then become x minus 1. So in this problem case, this is our quotient and this is our remainder. Okay?